What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And first of all, I want to say one big thank you to all of you that commented on my video where obviously I told you guys that someone vandalized my car. And you know what, I really appreciate every single person that commented, because I had a lot of positivity. And to be fair, all of you, in fact 99% of the comments were, it looks like it has been done on purpose. So yes, if that's the case, it is sad. You know, some people are really sad to do something like that, but I'm not angry. You got to be positive, guys. If I'm going to be angry, I mean, of course I'm not happy about it, but if I'm going to be angry and all of that, it's not going to change the situation. It's not going to fix it. So in today's video, in fact, we are going to try and fix it. So I just reminded myself that I do have a machine polisher and some stuff in my shed. So today we're gonna attempt and remove this light scratches. Let's hope, fingers crossed, it will come out easy and I'll manage to buff it out. If not, I'll have to go to a specialist and get it done there. So I'm gonna try first a little trial area before I do the whole thing, just to make sure that I'm happy and confident I can remove it. Now, before we get on with this video, I'm asking you one big favor, guys. Please like this video. I'm gonna give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for the like. It all helps. It all helps the YouTube algorithm. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, the bell button. And now let's get this car washed first, because it's so dirty, and then we'll get to the polishing bit. This car's really dirty. Just in case you missed that video, let me show you here, if you manage to see it when the car's this dirty. But basically, you've got this whole area here going all the way along here and there and here. So this is stage 2. As you can see, it's nice and clean now. I'm gonna dry it out. Actually, before we dry it out, I'm gonna clay bar it and then dry it out. So the car's been clay barred. Actually, it's not too bad. Actually quite surprised. Not terrible for the whole car. Now it's time for a quick rinse and then dry. All right, so the car's nice and clean now. Time to get a quick dry, and then we can proceed with trying to remove the scratches. So let's get this dried and then move on to the next stage. So check this out, look how good the car already looks. So it's all dry. I think this is called probably like a good clean. We did first the wash and the wheels, and then we did the snow foam, and then a wash, and then a hand wash, then another wash, then clay bar, and a dry. And look how good this looks. But I'm thinking maybe to go one step further. First, check this. The whole car freshened up the paint. Oops, not this. With this. This is for black. It freshens out the paint, get a nice shine, and this also should help remove those little scratches. So I'm thinking we start off doing the areas with the scratches first, and then maybe move around and get the car shiny and fresh. So let's get this machine here. So I do have in here actually proper detailing stuff over here, this, but I don't want to go too deep into it because I'm not an expert, the disclaimer, so I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I'm just going to go with light stuff because I do not want to make anything worse. So we got this, and afterwards we do this. Okay guys, so this is my polishing machine. I wouldn't say it's the best machine, but it should be fine. I'm going to go with a very small setting because I don't want it to rub too hard. Obviously I'm not going to apply too much pressure, and start off with a slow setting. And we're going to start off over here, this line here, and see how it goes. We've got our microfibers and all the bits, so let's see how this goes. So our first run done. It definitely looks a bit more improved. It definitely looks a lot better. And not only this area, the whole panel. I just done this panel, well, till this area here, and I can definitely see the paint looking a lot better. However, I don't know if it's going to remove this completely. I might need something a bit stronger. I'm going to try again first with this. Have a look. Try again. So guys, this is after 2 attempts, and I must say it looks so much better. You can still see it very lightly, but I'm definitely happy with it because from this angle you won't even see it unless you go really close. There you go. Wow, I'm impressed. You guys won't even see it. Now I'm gonna go one more time because ever so lightly, but compared to before, it's almost gone. One more time, hopefully we'll remove it completely. And it's gone. So the front part, clear, as you guys will see. Not only that, the paint looks so much nicer. I should definitely be doing the whole car with this. Oh gosh, this isn't easy. I thought this was easy, but it is quite tiring because over here I had to apply a little bit of pressure. But yeah, this is gone. So I'm gonna move over to this part here and continue my way down. So the good news is we've managed to buff it all off. No more scratches. And I cleared a few other little tiny things I had around the car. So overall I'm really happy. Now I'm gonna do a quick sealant with this and just to seal the paint, and then we're gonna move over to the other side, see if there's anything around there. So I did end up doing as well the front bonnet. So as you might see on the camera, this side is shiny because I've done already this side. Now I'm gonna do that side. Might as well give it a nice quick polish. As you can see, it's nice and clean here. And then they got this side. Yeah. So the car more or less had a detail, to be honest, because I went around the car. As you can see how shiny this is without any sunlight. Yeah, I definitely say the car had a detailed whole front, the sides. Check this out. And let me show you the other side where we had the scratches. It's all gone. The only one that is the only one that is extremely light over here, which you probably won't see on the camera, is there, but you definitely can't see it unless you look really close with the light. And over here, all gone. Polished all the sides. Here in the rear, all gone. I'm really happy with this. Just gonna finish off one more thing, is the boot over here, because you'll see that this is always the area where you take stuff in and out of the car, and these things happen. So I'm gonna try and get this off, and then we're more or less done. And since I opened the engine bay to wipe the edges off, all the leftover residue, I might as well clean it. So I just sprayed it here. Now we're gonna wipe it down. Might as well give my car a quick detail. Well, I guess my car just received the full detail. There you see all the black. Engine bay looking nice and clean. And there we have it, guys. Look at it, how nice and clean. I probably haven't seen it so nice and clean since I bought the car, but I'm really happy with the overall result. So the car's clean of scratches. That wheel there definitely has to be redone. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm really happy with it. Overall, well done. So guys, there we have it. By the way, listen to this cold start. So guys, I'm so happy with this result. Overall, scratches are clean. It definitely did take me a good few hours to get the car obviously detailed. But you know what guys, I'm definitely not an expert in these things, but I'm happy with the job I've done. I'm definitely happy with that. And let me know what you guys think. So to the one who vandalized my car, thank you very much, because my car looks even better than before. So I appreciate that. Nah, I don't, because definitely did take me a good few hours of my time. But the truth is, I always wanted to give my car proper detail. I just never had the chance, and luckily today's a day. So thanks guys for watching this video, and please give this video a like, subscribe. And guys, let me just mention one thing. If you want to make money and live in the UK, definitely check my link in the description. There's no catch here. I'll share with you something that you can do in the side, make some extra income on the side. So definitely check that out. But thanks guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye now.